At this problem, they just want you to find the equation of the tangent line of the graph of the function at the given point. So we have y equals 2 arc sine at this point, and you know your formula for the tangent line, which will be y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So m is the slope. So what is the slope? Well, the slope is just the derivative. So once we find the derivative, we can just plug in the x, and then we'll have our entire formula. So how do we do that? Well, we'll take the derivative of 2 arc sine. Now you have to memorize this, and so the derivative of arc sine is u prime, which is just the derivative of whatever this is. So if whatever is in parentheses here, we denote it as u. So u prime over 1 minus u squared. So here, how we can do this is, well, derivative of arc sine of u, right? So anything inside is u. And so u prime, so the derivative of whatever is inside here, over 1 minus u squared. So here, all I'm saying is that u is equal to x. So we continue on. So all I did was actually take the derivative. So it's going to be 2. Well, the derivative of x is 1 following this u prime. It's going to be 1. And then 1 minus u squared. All I'm going to do is plug in x, and it's x squared. So all I did here was just simplify that, x squared right there, and then multiply the 2 across to have 2 on the numerator. So here I plug in 1/2 for x. Is the actual question, remember we were trying to find the slope. So we're trying to find the slope at 1/2, so we plug in 1/2 into the derivative. So right here we plug in 1/2. Well, 1/2 squared is just 1/4. Well, 1 minus 1/4 is going to be 3/4. Continuing on, well, we can, since it's the square root of both of these, we can rewrite it as square root of 3 over square root of 4. And then continuing onwards, we have 2 over square root of 3 over 2. Remember, because square root of 4 is just 2. That's all I did there. And then we can rewrite this as, since we're dividing it, we can multiply it, remember, because when we're dividing by fractions, we can just flip it and multiply it. So it's going to be 2 over 1 times, I'm going to flip this, so 2 over square root of 3. So our final answer is going to be 4, 2 times 2 is 4, and then square root of 3. So in our actual problem for the slope, we'll write that as 4 square root of 3. And then where did I get these numbers? Well, that was given to us in the original problem. We have 1/2 and pi over 3. So 1/2 is going to be the x, pi over 3 is going to be the y. So going down, that's what I did. I just plugged in for the y, pi over 3, and plugged in for the x, 1/2. Now it's just simplification, so multiplying it across, we have 4x over square root of 3, minus multiplying that across, 4 over square root of 3 times 2. Continuing on. Well, here all I did was simplify more. 4 divided by 2 would just be 2. Here I added pi over 3 to this side. So once you do that, what I can do is get rid of the square roots on the bottom by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by square root of 3 here. So what will that become? Well, it'll become 4x square root of 3. When you multiply two square roots, they cancel and just become 3. Same thing over here. Just multiply that across. The square roots cancel to just give me 3. And plus pi over 3. Well, since everything is being divided by 3, I can put all these on the top, and this will be our final equation. Because that's the actual question. The question wasn't just the derivative, it was the equation at the tangent line. And that's what we succeeded in doing. So this will be our final equation and our answer. So I hope that helped, and thanks for watching.